Samsung is stepping into a new chapter of foldable technology with the Galaxy Z TriFold, a device that pushes the idea of foldable smartphones even further. This is Samsung's first serious attempt at launching a TriFold smartphone, and it is designed to combine the experience of a smartphone, tablet, and even a small notebook into one single device. After getting early hands-on impressions, it is clear that Samsung is using this phone as a technical showcase for what foldable technology can achieve in the future. When the Galaxy Z TriFold is folded, it feels similar to a regular smartphone and fits comfortably in the hand. But once it is fully unfolded, the device transforms into a large 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The screen offers high resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for multitasking, watching videos, editing content, or working on creative projects. Samsung has also included a full-cover display, allowing users to operate the phone normally without unfolding it every time. The cover screen is bright and responsive, which makes it easy to use outdoors as well. Inside the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung has included a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite class processor. This high-end chipset is supported by plenty of RAM and storage options that go up to 1 TB. The performance is designed to handle demanding apps, multi-window tasks, and Samsung's Galaxy AI features without slowing down. The battery uses a multi-cell design that fits into the complex folding layout of the device. While it offers solid capacity and supports fast charging by Samsung standards, the real battery performance with such a large screen is something that will need more testing over time. The camera setup on the back includes a triple camera system with a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto camera. The foldable design allows users to take hands-free photos or videos by partially folding the phone and using it as a stand. Samsung has also added multiple front cameras for selfies and video calls. The large internal display makes video meetings and content creation more comfortable and immersive. The phone is built with 2 hinges, titanium elements, and reinforced glass to improve durability, although it is still more delicate compared to traditional smartphones. When comparing the Galaxy Z TriFold to the Huawei Mate X-T, both devices offer different approaches to TriFold design. Huawei introduced a Z Fold mechanism that allows the Mate X-T to switch between different screen sizes including 6.4 inches, 7.9 inches, and 10.2 inches. The Mate X-T is also extremely thin when unfolded, measuring as little as 3.6 mm, and weighs slightly less than Samsung's device. On the other hand, Samsung uses a U-shaped folding design with 2 side wings that open into a 10-inch display. The TriFold is slightly thicker and heavier, but it offers better durability with an IP48 rating and a stronger hinge that feels more stable during use. In terms of performance, Samsung clearly has the advantage. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is built using advanced technology, delivering better efficiency and stronger performance compared to Huawei's Kirin 9010 chipset, which is built on older technology. Samsung also benefits from the Android ecosystem with full Google support, while Huawei relies on Harmony OS, which may raise concerns about long-term software updates and app compatibility for some users. The camera systems on both devices have their strengths. Samsung focuses on high resolution with a 200-megapixel main camera and a 3x telephoto lens. Huawei, however, offers a 50-megapixel system with a stronger 5x periscope zoom and a variable aperture that can improve photography in different lighting conditions. Both phones include large 5600 batteries, but Huawei supports faster charging speeds compared to Samsung's slower charging options. The Galaxy Z TriFold also stands out in connectivity features. It supports modern technologies like 5G 6G HE and ultra-wideband, which are missing from the Mate X-T. Samsung also offers a smoother 120Hz display, while Huawei's display runs at 90Hz but includes advanced dimming technology that may be easier on the eyes. Despite all the advanced features, the Galaxy Z TriFold is clearly aimed at early adopters, professionals, and technology enthusiasts. It offers impressive flexibility and a massive display, but it also comes with a high price and some concerns about everyday practicality. The device first launched in South Korea with a price close to $2,500 for the 512GB model. It is also available in the United States for around $2,899. A wider global release has not been confirmed yet, but rumors suggest it could arrive in more regions by summer 2026. Overall, the Galaxy Z TriFold represents a bold step forward in foldable smartphone design. It may not be a mainstream product yet, but it shows how far smartphone innovation can go when companies push the limits of hardware and design.